Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we want to talk about the closed loop system on our machines and the option that's available for the closed loop. All of our machines can be run as an open loop system. Open loop systems work really well if you've got running water that you can hook to your machine. It'll actually keep the water in the machine cleaner, but you also have to have a way to drain it. Now that can be done in a drain or it can be done in a 5-gallon bucket. But if you do opt to go with a closed loop system, one of the misconceptions is this is a filtration system. And it's not a filtration system, it's a sedimentation system. So when the water drains off into our top bucket here, the water basically overflows and goes into the bottom to where our pump here actually picks up the water and pumps it back up to the machine for your window rinse and for your interior rinse down hose. Now, if you're in a factory or a facility that doesn't have running water, the closed loop system is a perfect option for you. If filtering is more of an option of what you're looking for, we do have a paper closed loop filtration system. It's a 50 micron paper. You will, as you're filtering, the media is going to come out a little bit every time that this drains, and all of your contaminants and stuff will land on top of the paper. The water will go through. It will keep your water fresher longer. It's a little more expensive than the standard $650 that we charge now for this closed loop. But if that is something that you're concerned with, it is definitely an option that we have available. If you have any questions, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.